All right, welcome back. This is Instructor Mike. We're back again with the Montessori Movable Cursive Alphabet and Safari's Human Organs. Safari's Human Organs. Why is it important to talk about human organs? Well, that's what's on the inside of us. Oh, look at these. And the detail. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Get them out. Sometimes you gotta take care of the thing. These things are in there. Okay, let's get them out. Get them out. Oh, we need that. We need all of these. We need all of these. Okay, good. All right. So, let's go on ahead and dive into what these are. This is the brain. This is the brain, right? Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Good. And this is the what? Large intestines, right? And this is the which one? Is this the large or the small? Small or the large? Which one? All right, so let's look at the parts of the internal organs that you have. You have your brain. Okay. I like the detail of this, the way it feels. Right? This is nice. Okay, you got the brain. Then you've got the lungs. Then you've got the spine. Right, these are your lungs. Okay. Then you've got the small intestine. And you've got the large intestine. Then you've got the, what do you think this is? Stomach. This is the stomach. Then you've got the, what do you think this is? You've got the kidneys. This is the kidneys, right? Then you've got the liver. And then you've got tu corazón, the heart, right? So you know how you see the heart like this? That's not how the heart actually is. This is how the heart is right here, okay? So we have 4 on our work mat, our work cloth, okay? Let's begin to spell what these are. What do you think this is? Let's start. B. A. I, or even A. Brain. Brain. I have a brain. Do you have a brain? I know you do. So, what do you think this is? I. Id. Mm. Mm. E. E. Now you might think this is y. Y. Well, it is. It's the Y, but when you put it in connection with E, k, id, knee, kidney, kidney. Given that it's plural, it might be kidneys, but one is kidney, kidney. Plural just means two. And here you have how many kidneys? Two. Two. How many kidneys do you have? That's right. Two. What is this? Oh. What do these two have in common? That's right. That's right. Ul. Ul. Oh. 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 Mm. Mm. Oh. G. G. Lungs. 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 All right, let's add something to this. Kidneys. Kidneys. Because it's two, right? It's two. All right. And so that's one of the things that's beautiful about Montessori work is that control of error. Control of error, right? Kidney, but it's two. You just said it was two here and put an S there. So kidneys, right? Kidneys, right? Okay. Let's look at this. What do you think this is? Well, let's find out. Here we go. Now, in this word, yep, you're going to have the eh or e, but the way that this is said, the e is actually silent. Yeah. R art. And it almost sounds like you want to take this E away, so it's heart, heart, heart. But the way it's spelled, H-E-A-R-T, heart. So here we have the brain, kidneys, lungs, heart. Well, let's put everything back. We want to make sure that we place it back. We don't want to throw it back. These are beautiful wooden materials, and we take care of the things that help us learn. We take care of the things that help us learn. All right, now we're on for part 2, and here we have more human organs. Here we go. This is the all small, small, all small. It's okay if you move the letters over so you can have more room as you feel you need more room. Okay. Small and the large, 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 small, large, int, est, ins, small and large intestines. Remember, it's the S that would be intestine, but it's S because it's two of them. They're both part of the same waste removal system internally. Okay. Let's see if we have enough letters for the rest of these. Ek. You might think this is stomach, but this is stomach, right? You will find that the CH makes many sounds, or a few sounds, depending upon how the ch, k is used in a word. Ek, stomach. And the last one is the liver. So here you've got the small and large intestines, the stomach, and the liver. All right, let's put our letters back. Again, we want to take care of the things that help us learn. Now, I would also encourage not to allow the child to rush, but guide them into taking their time with each letters for reinforcement. Why is that, Instructor Mike? Why would you encourage that? Because whether or not they talk, that's one thing, but one thing the brain automatically likes to do is read what it's touching, what it sees. So S, T, T, O, O, or M, A, or A, C, K, or even CH, ch. L, I, V, E, or and All right, so let's recap. What is this? 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 How many do you see? What is this? How many do you see? And What is this?